Retro.
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the vibe. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making this fire skirt from this t-shirt. Stay tuned. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using this skirt as a guide to cut out my skirt. As you see, I have to come out a little farther right here. But yeah, just using this skirt as a guide. So this is my cutout for my skirt. Of course, when I sew it, I'm going to be turning it inside out, right sides together. So now I gotta cut out the cutout part that's going to go right here. So stay tuned. Okay, I have my 4 pieces that I'm going to connect to the skirt. And what I mean by 4 is I got 2 of the same pieces here and 2 of the same pieces here. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to sew around here and sew around here. But when I sew around to a certain part, I'm going to flip it inside out and then just sew the little part that the little hole that I'm using to turn it inside out. So I can attach it to the skirt. Then I already told you I'm going to turn this inside out before I sew it. So yeah, let's get ready to sew. Alright, I've sewn around here and around there and around there. And I'm going to sew a little bit more before I turn it inside out. And then I'll come back when I close it all together. This is how it looks. Okay, I have turned it inside out. And it's my little hole that I need to sew up right here. I have turned it inside out, and I'm going to be done with this one. And you're going to do the exact same thing with the other 2 pieces. Okay, so I have finished both sewed, turned inside out, and sewed up on the side. So I'm now going to attach them to the skirt. But first I'm going to hem the top of the skirt just to give it a more clean look. You can leave the raw edge if you like. It's just my preference. Okay, the top is hemmed. Do you see what I mean by the more clean look? Because at the bottom I didn't cut my t-shirt. I just used the hem that came on the t-shirt. So now I'm going to add the pieces onto the front and back of the skirt. So this is the skirt. That's the top piece. And this is the bottom piece. And I found this little elastic instead of using regular elastic. I'm going to use these 2 strips of elastic, and I'm going to connect it to these 2 pieces so that when you put them on, it could be like hugging around your mid-waist area or wherever your skirt lands on you. But yeah, I'm going to come back once I attach the elastic pieces to these pieces. Okay, y'all, I am done. This is my elastic attached. You don't have to do elastic, you can do ties, or you can make your fabric connect so you won't even have to use anything. But I decided to use elastic, and I think it came out cute. So yeah, let me try this on, and I'll be back. Thank you for tuning in to my video, visiting my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the vibes. And stay tuned for more videos because there will definitely be more. Peace.